Hello, I'm a customer of LaserMen. My name is Gael Pigeot. I come from Reunion, Iceland, and I very interesting about welding machine. And 3 years ago, I know the laser welding machine, and I test a lot of machine. I come in China and I try to find the best machine. And last year I meet the staff of LaserMen, and I buy one machine, 4-in-1, 1.5 power, and the machine is very good. It's better than other machine I test, but and I decide to resell it. And because the machine is very good, it's an amazing machine. And I come to China last year to meet the staff and to know how it's made. And after when I come, I discover very good people here in the factory, and they listen to the customer. They very be careful about what customer need, and we discuss a long time about what is good, what is not good, and what customer need. And in a few times they change the machine. They do a new version each time. What you say it's not good, they quickly do the change in the machine. And this machine, it's for me, it's I test, but this machine responds that a lot of user need. It's quite small, and it's not a big machine, 100 kilos. You can bring with you outside. You can try. You can work with the machine in factory, no problem, and don't take a lot of space in your factory. And you can do all. You can cut, you can weld, you can clean the welding, and you can clean the dust like this, big things. You can do a lot of things. And what is better with this machine is the size, but you can work all day, no problem. The machine have air cooler, is intelligent. The cooler follow you when you work. You will be tired before the machine. You go to sleep, the machine can work, no problem. Yes, very good machine and very good staff. I love LaserMen, no problem. It's my friend now.